glad to see you again! Fall is here and you know what that means? Cozy treats to go with your pumpkin spiced everything. Today we're whipping up a super soft chocolate Swiss roll. Of course, you'll want to save the room for seconds or thirds. We're gonna start with 5 eggs at room temperature, and yes, separating them is required. No shortcuts. Let's kick things off with our chocolate mixture. In the bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and the sugar because life is too short for bland desserts. Next, we're gonna add in oil, the secret to a moist roll, and the milk for smooth and creamy texture. Last one, we're gonna add in all our dry ingredients. Mix them all until you've got the smooth, delicious batter. This is when you can start smelling the magic. Try not to eat it. Trust me, the best is yet to come. Now we've got science to do. Add in some cream of tartar. Time to whip up our meringue. In the bowl, beat those egg whites until soft pink foams. You want them to look like little fluffy clouds on a good day. Once they're ready, gently fold the meringue into the chocolate mixture. Be gentle, treat it like you're trying to impress it on a first date. Once combined, spread the fluffy chocolatey goodness evenly onto a lined baking pan. It should look like a delicious chocolate blanket. Pop it into your preheat oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for around 25 minutes. This is the part where you impatiently wait by the oven, questioning every life decision that led you here. Once it's ready, transfer it to the cooling rack and let it cool. When the cake reaches room temperature, gently roll it up, dusting with the chocolate powder, of course to prevent from sticking. You can leave it on your counter or put the cake in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Cut the edges of the cake just to make it look good and beautiful looking. Yeah, like you. I happen to have some leftover mocha buttercream frosting. I thawed it from the freezer and brought it to room temperature, so it's ready to spread evenly as the filling for my chocolate Swiss roll. Time to do some prep for the chocolate glaze. Just gather all the ingredients, then pop it in the microwave just until it starts to soften. I added some Ferrero chocolates inside the roll to elevate and enrich the flavor, making it even fancier. Anyway, feel free to add everything that you have at home. Once it's rolled back up, place it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. After chilling, pour the glaze over the cake. The rest, feel free to decorate as desired. And ta-da! Our fancy, beautiful yet delicious chocolate Swiss roll is ready! And there you go, your chocolate Swiss roll is ready to roll. Yums! Perfectly soft, chocolatey, and 100% guaranteed to disappear very, very fast. Now I know it's fall and we're in full Halloween mode, but this chocolate Swiss roll is pretty scary, no? Scarily delicious! That's it! Okay guys, thanks for baking with me today. If you like the recipe, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and share with a friend who needs some chocolate love for this fall. Catch you next time. Bye!